Hello dear students. In last class I have discussed about the register in series. Okay. Today I going to start a next topic, name is register in parallel. What is the differences between series and parallel? Okay. First thing, here you see what is parallel connection. Okay. Here you see what is the parallel connection. Here you see, let us consider a arrangement of three resistors joined in parallel with a combination of cell or battery. Okay, here you see battery, it is the combination of cell. Okay, here you see battery, suppose here I current a V volt battery. Okay, and some current I flowing in this circuit. Total current is I, and here you see, you consider this point is X and this point is Y. Here you see a this connection R1, R2 and R3 if connected like this. Okay, if resistance R1, R2 and R3 are connected like this, then this connection is known as parallel connection. Okay, here you see each resistance have different value. R1 have different value, R2 have different value and R3 have different value. Okay, due to this reason R1 have different current, R2 have different current and R3 have different current, and sum of current is equal to total current. Okay, it means suppose karo total current is I. Okay, here you see total current is I, and here you see this I is divided into three part, I1, I2 and I3. Okay, and here you see a voltmeter is connected across this resistance. Okay, a voltmeter is connected across this resistance, or in other words, a voltmeter is connected between X and Y. Okay, and here you see voltmeter, it measure the voltage across R1, across R2 and across R3. Again I am repeating, voltmeter, here you see voltmeter, it measure the voltage across resistance R1, R2 and R3. Okay, and here you see this voltmeter is measure the same voltage. Okay, this voltmeter is measure the same voltage across R1, R2 and R3. What is the meaning? It means any resistor, suppose we have different resistor, if all these resistor connected in parallel way, it means all resistor have same voltage. This is the main properties of parallel connection. In a parallel connection voltage will be same. Okay, and here you see next one, if suppose karo you see here total current is I, this I is divided into three part, I1, I2, I3. Okay, then here you see total current is I, each equal to the sum of separate current through each branch of the combination. Total current is I divided into I1, I2 and I3. Then what is the formula of this one? Total current is equal to current flowing through the resistance R1 is I1, current flowing through resistance R2 is I2, and current flowing through resistance R3 is I3, and total current is I. If you I1, I2, I3, if you add this one, then you get total current. Okay, then here see, here I am discussing about the parallel resistance. Okay, then equivalent resistance is Rp. Okay, Rp, R is the equivalent resistance and P, it represent the parallel connection. Okay, then here you see Rp is the equivalent resistance. Okay, and next one, if here we apply the Ohm's law. Okay, if here we apply the Ohm's law, then what is happen here? Okay, Ohm's law is saying that V is equal to IR. Okay, Ohm's law is saying that voltage is equal to current into resistance. In general, current we are here we find the current across R1, R2, R3. Okay, then voltage is same in parallel connection, so current I1 is equal to voltage upon R1, current I2 is equal to voltage upon R2, and current I3 is equal to voltage upon 3. Okay, here you see, if I put the value of I1 I1, I2 and I3 in equation 1. Okay, this is the equation 1. Then here you get I is equal to, you see this one. Okay, then put the value of V is equal to IR, you put this one, and equation 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you put all these equation in equation number 1. Then here you get this, formula. Okay, you see this one. Okay, here you see, after here see voltage is common, after taking voltage common, then voltage will be cancelled. Okay, then 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, what is saying this one? This formula is saying that if multiple resistors is connected in parallel way, okay, this this formula is saying that if multiple resistance connected in parallel way, then what is equivalent resistance? Okay, Rp is the equivalent resistance. Then we find this equivalent resistance through this formula. Okay, and in other word, इसको हम ऐसे, the reciprocal of equivalent resistance of a group of resistance joined in parallel is equal to the sum of reciprocal of the individual resistance. ओके, हम लोग इस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, हेयर सी प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ पैरेलल कनेक्शन. ओके, सपोज हेयर सी total voltage is I. Okay, voltage will be same across each resistor. Okay, but current will be different across R1, R2, R3. Okay, because फिर से if total voltage, here you see, if total voltage यहाँ पे V है, then voltage across R1, R2 and R3 will be same. Voltage will be same in parallel connection, but current will be different in parallel connection because of each resistor to different value. Okay, then first point is, first property, voltage across each resistance will be same. Okay, voltage across each resistance. Okay, voltage V1, V2, V3, voltage across each resistance will be same. Next one, next property here see, current through each resistance will be different because of each resistance with different value. Okay, here you see, current through each resistance will be different. Why? Okay, this question is arises, why current through each resistance will be different? Because here you see R1 and R2, R3 have different value. Okay, value will be different, so that's why current will be different. Okay, next one, here you see, when resistance connected in parallel, equivalent resistance will be decreases. This question is asked in many times. Okay, आप लोग इसको याद रखिएगा, when multiple resistance. Okay, or if when resistance connected in parallel, equivalent resistance will be decreases. Okay, and here you see, if suppose grow we have multiple resistance, suppose total resistance is n. Okay, if all resistance connected in parallel way, then if you find the equivalent resistance, then you get equivalent resistance is equal to R by N. Okay, N is the total number of resistance connected in parallel way. Okay, all these the property of parallel connection. Okay, अब हम लोग देखेंगे, अब इसके डिफरेंट न्यूमेरिकल को देखेंगे, कैसे हम इसके न्यूमेरिकल को सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, अब इसको हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखते हैं.